Today, you've got some exciting fresh leaks about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra flagship. With the launch expected in January, the excitement is building and we have some intriguing details about its design and specs that you won't want to miss. Let's dive right in. Well-known tipster Ice Universe has shared some new images that provide a sneak peek at the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design. Our first takeaway is that the Ultra version will sport a more rounded design compared to its predecessor, which should make it more comfortable to hold. The edges appear sleeker in these comparisons, offering a modern and refined look. However, while the body might be changing, it seems like the rear camera setup will remain nearly identical. The leaked images show 6 holes in what appears to be a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra case. Inside, we expect to find the familiar configuration with 4 camera lenses, a flashlight, and a laser distance meter for autofocus. This layout mirrors that of the S24 Ultra, suggesting that Samsung is maintaining its successful camera design while likely focusing on internal improvements. For a little context, the Galaxy S24 Ultra features an impressive camera setup: a 200-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, a 50-megapixel periscope lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 5x optical zoom. While these leaks suggest that the overall camera layout will remain consistent with the previous model, there are whispers about potential upgrades to some of these lenses. Speculations include improvements in image processing and enhancements in low-light photography, making the S25 Ultra an enticing option for photography enthusiasts. The excitement for those enhancements has tech enthusiasts buzzing. But that's not all. Ice Universe has been busy again and shared a rendering comparing the corner and bezel designs of the S24 Plus with what we can expect from the S25 Ultra. Notably, it looks like Samsung has managed to shrink the bezels even further, giving the phone a sleeker appearance. This is particularly interesting because reducing bezels often enhances the immersive experience of using a smartphone. You can really see the rounded corners and reduced bezels in the leaked image, which are significant design language changes. This level of refinement is exciting as it sets a positive tone for the Galaxy S series moving forward, indicating that Samsung is committed to innovation while keeping usability in mind. We're hearing that the screen size for the Ultra model might be slightly increased to 6.86 inches, up from the 6.8 inches in the current model. Every little bit counts, right? A larger display can enhance our visual experience, making everything from gaming to streaming even more enjoyable. After all, we know Samsung loves to push the envelope with their flagship devices. Typically, we receive more leaks about the Ultra model than the standard or Plus versions, and it seems like this trend is continuing. There's also speculation about a refined display technology, possibly incorporating improvements in refresh rates and brightness levels, which would definitely take the user experience to new heights. Keep your eyes peeled for further updates as we get closer to the release date, since there are always surprises with Samsung. So, to wrap it up, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a significant upgrade, featuring a comfortable rounded design, a consistent camera layout that may see some enhancements, and an even larger display. There's a lot to look forward to, and we would love to hear your thoughts on these leaks. What are you most excited about with the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech news and leaks. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video as we continue to bring you the latest in tech.